Hi there. This week we are reading a passage called Caves Underground Rooms. This is number 317. A cave is a hollow room found in the earth. There are many kinds of caves. Caves are important to scientists who study early humanity. Scientists can often find the signs of early life in caves. Cave people lived in caves more than 100,000 years ago. The cave people left paintings on cave walls. These paintings showed the types of animals they hunted. Fossils of early plant and animal life have been discovered in caves. One type of cave is formed when water wears away soft rock under the ground. Mammoth Cave in Kentucky is a famous United States cave. Mammoth Cave is more than 200 miles long. Some of its rooms are over 50 feet high. There are also many streams in Mammoth Cave that visitors can travel in boats. Since the cave is dark, the fish that live there do not have eyes. They do not need to see. Another kind of cave is called a sea cave. This type of cave is formed by ocean waves pounding against cliffs. A famous sea cave called Fingal's Cave can be found in Scotland. Ice caves form when glaciers melt and then freeze again. Austria is home of a famous ice cave. An ice cave called the Singing Cave can be found in Iceland. Another type of cave is a lava cave. The lava of a volcano forms a lava cave.